The best way to make money, or the best stocks to invest in right now, are the ones that have the most momentum, a lot of volume pushing them higher. You're not late to them. That is a way to see a really good return on your investment. So 3 days ago, I was talking about drone stocks, 2x soon, time sensitive. The reason why I put that is because I was talking about how the Venezuelan news announcement might have these defense stocks go higher, but I don't care about Raytheon. I don't care about Lockheed Martin or Northrop Grumman. These stocks move very slow. Even 3%, that's great, but that's not much. With the stocks that I was talking about in this video, I'm talking about stocks that are very volatile. They move a lot. And so 3 days later, a lot of these stocks are up. UAVS, this is up 50% today. And so momentum goes both ways. It's all about when it starts. So the best time to get into these stocks is when the momentum just started. In the grand scheme of things, maybe this just started, but I'm not going to buy any of these on day 3 or 4. So, okay, Deadnsyde, how do I make money from this? How do we get productive? Well, the drone stocks all moved together. Okay, so we're looking for the ones that are the most volatile. So let's just say UAVS, for example. How are you going to make money from this? How is this going to be the best stock to invest in? So on Friday, this is relevant. This stock, UAVS, had secured a significant contract with the U.S. Army for its tactical mapping drones. And that sent the whole entire sector higher that day. And then, yeah, there's this AI theme also applies to these drone stocks. So here's how we can make money from a stock like this. So this is not financial advice, but this is what I would do. So this stock has had a big move. There's an interest. Well, I don't want to chase. How do I know we're not going to see a big red move like on Wednesday when this stock dropped negative 14%? This stock is under $2, so it can move a lot. Well, let's say this stock moves like this, okay, has a big move, and then it starts consolidating, okay? Let me just move this out the way. And if we wanted to start consolidating, how are we going to make money from this? And I'm going to give an actual real-time example, not real-time, but I traded this live on YouTube, and it was like a perfect setup. So what I want is this stock to have these candles start consolidating, and then we're seeing higher lows. Okay, so pretend that these are green candles. Okay, these are green candles, and this stock is going higher, but now it's starting to consolidate. So now let's say I can draw a flag, okay? Like if you've ever played soccer, like it looks like a corner kick, okay? Corner flag, okay? A flag like this. Now let's imagine this stock went down here. This is the daily chart. So the stock went here and then here and then here, okay? I'm going to show you a better example if you're confused. So it's consolidating on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday. Then it's getting really tight, and then as soon as it breaks above this line, I would buy it. And then this is a perfect case scenario. And then my stop loss would be right here. Okay. Right at hypothetically $2.81. Okay. So this is the best stocks to invest in always. It doesn't matter if it's drones or whatever. And I'm actually going to go over the next theme too in this video on what's being completely missed right now in the market, in my opinion. So here's a real world example. And before I show the real world example, here are the stocks that you can put on your watch list in case you missed my video. Ticker symbol UAVS, AIRO, UMAC, DPRO, RCAT. EH didn't have a move today, so I don't like that relative weakness. So it's all about, what you want, strong, healthy looking stocks. ONDS, I'm so glad I just saw this because this is very relevant, guys. This one is getting talked about a lot, and not an opinion. This is a fact. And the other stocks are EVTL, ACHR, and AVAV. But one of the most talked about stocks today in the business and finance sector in Google Trends, retail traders are piling into ticker symbol ONDS because it's been a high momentum small cap defense drone name with eye-popping gains and huge trading volume. Again, remember volume, but it's about the timing. Okay, so look, this stock has already gone from $1 in this is the monthly chart. Okay, so each candle represents 1 month. From August 1st till today, January 2nd, this stock has gone up 1,300%. And we've caught these before on this channel, but this naturally attracts story stocks. And The timing for story stocks to move is now, not in a bear market, but it's getting a lot of attention on social media platforms. Recent catalysts include Ondas's announcement of roughly 10 million in new autonomous system orders and a government tender expected to start with an initial purchase order in January this month, fueling a contracts equals growth narrative. Add in event-driven hype, a scheduled investor day, plus broader defense spending optimism, and you get a retail-friendly momentum loop. So again, the best stocks to invest in are the ones that are having this initial interest, and then they start consolidating, or we catch them early. That's why it was time sensitive 3 days ago. But this doesn't matter the sector, the theme, it's all about momentum and then a specific pattern. If you're late to the party and you're really bullish on a specific name, let's say. So here's a real world example. And of course, I'm cherry picking because this doesn't always work out, but it's all about risk to reward. So if I look at the daily chart on First Solar, this was a while back, I saw this stock and I got really lucky with this one because I had this on my watch. I already saw this big like 45% move that this had. This is the daily chart. So every day represents one day, and then it started consolidating. Okay. So look how it kind of went under this flag, right? So now I'm going to go to the 4 hour and this is TradingView, by the way. My link is in the description if you want to check out TradingView, not paid or sponsored by this company at all, but they do have great charting tools. But right here, you can see on the 4 hour chart, like it came down to this level, it bounced again, lost support, but then reclaimed. And then you can just see it clearly, like it keeps bouncing off this line. Okay, every 4 hours, boing, boing, boing right here. Then look, it's getting trapped. And then as soon as it has this move, I can set my stop loss for here, right? So as soon as it has a big move, I can set my stop loss. And then let's say it's all about risk to reward. Let's say hypothetically, I'm risking, okay, we'll say 2%. Okay, I'm risking negative 2% to potentially get. And I got really lucky with this stock because it didn't just break out. There was an announcement. It was like the big, beautiful bill with solar and wind. There was some catalyst that made this higher. Those are the best names. Like this had a reason to go higher fundamentally. And then the pattern looked great. Bull market. It's all about having as many probabilities in your favor as possible. But if we look back at the daily, this stock, it had a huge move. And then see, it started trying to consolidate here. It wasn't as orderly, but it was trying to consolidate, and then it had another move up, but it's already too late now. Like this has already moved 45% and then bam, then ran another, let's see, 50%. Okay, well, no, not from the highs, but like 40%. So I ran 40%, consolidated, then had a breakout, then consolidated again after another 40%. It's like, okay, there's momentum, but you got to think about everyone who bought in here and everyone who got in here, they want to take profits. It's just not as ideal of a situation. So to be clear, I'm not saying to buy these stocks right now. These drone stocks today, when UAVS is up 47%. But okay, so how do we watch these? Well, let's now watch for consolidation, and then boom, as soon as it breaks out, immediately you have a good risk to reward setup. And what happens if it goes down and then it goes back up higher? It sucks. This is why I hate trading, but I would get back into it. Again, all you have to do is back test what these people are saying, and then you can kind of determine, okay, does this work or not? Okay, so drones was a theme. So let me give you an example of a theme right now that in my opinion is being completely slept on. So genomics space, with AI, maybe this could be looked at like a derivative trade. Maybe this could be looked at like a theme that's being completely overlooked because everyone's just so focused on what they know. Well, the genomic space, this is Kathy Wood's ETF in the last 6 months is up 24% last year. Wow. Yeah. She's doing a lot better, but look at this from 5 years ago, this ETF, these genomic stocks are down big time, 70%. So now I want to put these on my watch list and start doing research. I've done videos on all these. They're all private now, but I was going through the top 10 and I wanted to immediately look for insider buying just to potentially give me conviction. If I were to get in any of these, I want to see some insider confidence. And the only stock that I saw that had insider buying was ticker symbol CRSP. And what's funny is Tom from MySpace, I don't know if you guys remember MySpace, but once upon a time, This dude loved CRISPR so much. It was in his bio on Instagram. I checked it and it was gone now, but I was like, I could swear he was a huge fan of CRISPR, and yeah, former first friend surfing, and he was like a SpaceX and CRISPR investor. So he's about to get a huge payday when SpaceX goes public this year. But the stocks here, to go through this really fast, is ticker symbol TEM. This is Tempest AI. I did a video on this a while back, and I was talking about how Google backed this company. What's interesting is this company made a $17 million insider purchase in this company. So here's CRISP. Yeah, so you can see here, $51 million purchase. There's some sales, but I never really care about the sales. But yeah, that's a pretty significant purchase there at $52. And this stock right now is at $56. So we're pretty close. This is the monthly chart. Let's look at the 3-month to really cut out the noise. We're approaching resistance, but I don't want to get into these and then wait, right? Maybe this genomics theme won't wake up for 5 years from now. And now I'm just paying this opportunity cost while I'm on the sidelines, and then all these AI stocks are running, for example. So it's all about that big move, but or if it's coming really low and then it hits support like this $23. That's why I was talking about Roblox, and I was talking about there's a lot of stock. Oh, like Nike. That was another one. I did videos on all these. You can check out the previous videos that I just uploaded. And then it's ticker symbol TWST. You can see all these stocks right here. And I checked for all insider purchasing, but I didn't see anything significant. But you can see here, PSNL had this Tempest AI insider purchase at $5.07 for $17 million. Okay, $5. So where are we at today? Currently $8. This is the monthly chart, so it's kind of broke out of this resistance here, this PSNL, and it's trying to find support here at this $8. So again, it's 100 different ways it's going to cat in this game, but these will always be the best stocks to invest in if you're a swing trader and you're just trying to get into something and have a really good risk to reward parameter set. So you immediately know how much you're going to lose, and you're going to be right maybe 1-2 times out of 10 times. But when you let your winners ride, they can really pay off. And the way you sell off is by how they look on the daily chart from the moving average. It's kind of complicated, but I'm going to start going live and then you can ask me all these questions. But if you like these sort of updates, consider subscribing. Thanks, guys. Peace.